In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Smartsheet. This is an essential skill if you're managing data from various regions and need to ensure that your date formats align with location-specific standards. Having the correct date format not only makes your data appear more professional, but it also prevents any potential misunderstandings that might occur with international collaborators. First of all, you'll need to log into your Smartsheet account. This is your typical starting point whenever you're making changes or managing your sheets. Once logged in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. Here you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking your profile, a menu will appear, and from there you'll want to select the option labeled Settings. This will bring up all your account options where you'll find various customizations you can make to your Smartsheet experience. Scroll through the settings until you find the section titled Region Preferences. Here is where the magic happens. You'll see that you have the option to choose your region. Why is this important? Well, depending on the region you select, the default date format will automatically adjust to match regional conventions. For instance, if you're in the United States, you'll typically use the MMDDYYYY format. Conversely, if you're in the United Kingdom, the standard format is DDMMYYYY. Selecting your correct region ensures that these formats are automatically applied, eliminating any potential for error. Having set your region, take a moment to review your selection. It's always a good practice to double check because the date format will impact how dates are displayed throughout your entire workspace. Once you're confident with your choice, you'll want to finalize the change. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the Settings menu. Clicking Save will apply the changes you've made and update the date format across all of your sheets. And that's it. Quick and straightforward, but immensely valuable. You've just aligned your Smartsheet dates to fit your regional standards, streamlining your data management and ensuring clarity in your communications. If you frequently work with teams across different regions, mastering this skill can be exceptionally beneficial. This completes our tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it empowers you to manage your Smartsheet dates more effectively. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below or contact Smartsheet support, who are always ready to help. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy Smartsheeting.